Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I will be talking about this new IDE that just came out, that I just discovered. The name of the IDE is TRAE. As you can see right here, I'm in the official website for TRAE. So this is the IDE. The IDE is a very good development environment, just like other IDE like Cursor, Windsurf and so on. So these IDEs work just like all those other IDE that I just mentioned, like Cursor, Windsurf, which has AI built into the IDE to help you in your coding task. So as you can see, according to the image on their website, you can see the interface of this IDE, where we have the chart for the IDE, and also we have our other doc also. So as you can see, I've tried this IDE. The IDE is very easy, free software. The software is very easy, free software, which gives more capabilities and more access to different model also. So as you can see right now, so I'm going to go to the top. So if you want to know that, you just visit their website, which is TRAE.ai. So once you visit it, or you can search on your Google Chrome or any of your browser, just search TRAE. So, and it's going to show up at the top right here. So just click it and it's going to bring you to this page right here. So just click on this download. So it is available for Linux and Mac OS also. So you can click on this seed or download option, which is going to bring, as you can see, we have for Mac, we have for Windows, and we have for Linux also. So once you download it, I've already downloaded the software and I've installed it. So I've used it to do multiple tasks for making this video. So as you can see right now, I'm working on a particular project, as you can see. So here, like I mentioned when I start the video, so we have here is all our tools, where we have the extension, icons and so on, our folder icon, search icon, and control, where we have our source control also. So the IDE is a very good IDE. I've tested it. One of the features I like about it, number one, is free, and it gives me access to some model for free. So if I come right here, you click on this button right here, you're going to see that we have multiple models right here. These models are built in, but we have Claude 3.5 Sonnet, we have 3.7 also, and we have Gemini and ChatGPT also, which is GPT 4.4 and 4.1, and we have DeepSeek also. These three DeepSeek model, and you can add your own model by just clicking on this add model. You're going to choose a provider, model, and API. You're going to fill in your API key. So with that, so these are all the built-in model that we have on this IDE. So if I select this, and one of the things I like about it, like I said the other time, is that the Claude 3.5 Sonnet and 3.7, they are free here, but the only issue there is that there might be sometimes you are going to experience like the people that are on this particular model are too much, so it's not going to work, which is going to make you switch to another model. So I think the model that I see that is working very well and I haven't experienced any error with is the DeepSeek model. So, and it's very good. So I'm working on a particular project here. We have our agent, and I can add MCP also. If I click on this agent, I can add another like an MCP server. So which give me, if I click on this, I'm going to it's going to give me access to add an MCP server. Here you can check the marketplace to maybe find some already MCP server you can add right here. So that's about that, but we're going to be using the model, the one that came with the software, so which is a builder MCP. So if I come here right now and I say, let's say hello first, if I type hello, so it's going to analyze the message I think is due to the model that I'm using. So okay, it's going to read the file of the website. So let's wait for it. And also, one of the issue I have with this is that the response time is very slow. which means it might not respond in time or fix the everything or generate your answer in time, unlike all the others ID like Cursor or WhatsApp. So you just have to wait because the software is kind of free. I think it's still in maybe it's because the software is free. That's the reason why maybe all these things are happening. So as you can see, we are the ID is still retrieving for some content. So it does not even start writing anything or any code or something like that. So that's it. So this is a perfect ID if you are just someone who use maybe most of your workflows you use AI, or like maybe let's say 30% of your workflow you use AI. This is going to be very good for you. You can use it for debugging and so, or maybe fixing some error. Also, this ID is very great for you. So I'm going to catch you in the next video where I will be talking about some cool features about this ID. We're going to go in depth into this ID, so we're going to talk more features about this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the like button and drop a comment if you have any question. I will kindly respond to your question. See you in the next video. Bye.